Not really hit you in the throat.
What's up, gang? We got my dad and we're going to Dave's Hot Chicken to burn our mouths off. Let's get it. Dave's Hot Chicken. Dave's Hot Chicken. I hate filming in public, so. Alright, what's up, Lane gang? Welcome back to the studio. Is this one mine?
Yes.
So I got extra hot and I got mild. Wait, don't open it yet.
Oh.
Bad boy. Go entertain the viewers. I'm gonna go wash my hands.
So, I've been meaning to have this conversation with all of you about the price of eggs in China. They're going up. It's a tough time for eggs in China.
Did you say the price of eggs in China?
Extra hot's on that side, mild on that side.
Wait, what? What if they got it wrong?
I don't think they did.
Look. Where'd the label go?
Uh-oh.
It's a gamble now.
Let's go gambling!
Wait, no, it's like...
I could have gone either way.
I think this is extra hot. Yeah, it gotta be. So I can't have the Reaper because apparently like I'm not old enough and stuff, and like I could die or something. But like, ain't no way you be dying.
True.
I do not like the. Oh, I hate like rubs on. All right, watch this not be spicy. Like I'm low-key invincible to spice. I ain't gonna lie. Careful, little piece right there. Smells good.
Is that the extra hot or the mild?
Extra hot.
Are you
think.
sure?
Can't really tell. It's not even that spicy.
Then maybe it's the mild.
What?
Then maybe it's mild.
I mean, it's all right spice.
Is it hot?
Nah.
Give you the hot hiccups.
Ugh. Alright, try it.
Me? Where?
Alright, turn it off.
Hot? It's pretty hot. Is it extra hot?
It's not that spicy, but eventually it gets worse.
Not really hit you in the throat.
This slushy is trash. Let's try the fries. Fries are the best part. Like I'm low-key invincible to spice. I ain't gonna lie.
The hot is hot. It's unbearable.
I wonder what the Reaper would taste like. Alright. Let's try their sauce.
It's good sauce. I like
Dave's
the
Hot
sauce a
Chicken
lot.
sauce. Better than Cane's.
It's similar.
Alright, fry.
It's like Hat Creek's fry sauce. It's like maybe like Chick-fil-A sauce.
I don't like that. What do you rate the spiciness level on the extra hot?
6, 7.
For 6-7 months.
Like actually.
I'm being serious. Like a
6.7.
6.5.
So it's hotter than the Buffalo Wild Wings.
No, that was a 10.
Start cooking. Not 10.
The hottest one? Yeah.
At Buffalo Wild Wings,
Yeah.
like it was hot, but like you can get hotter than that.
But for me,
For me, I really like Coke.
it was a 10. Okay, it was a 9.
Yeah.
There's hotter, but I wouldn't want to experience it.
No. All right, let's try more of this extra hot.
I would say the hot is plenty hot enough.
Oh, my throat. Oh, I hate this texture.
It's hot enough to make your nose run a little bit.
My,
Hot enough to kind of wake you up. Okay, I think that's all for me. I
What
know,
is that?
that was a medium.
Ugh.
I'll let you finish up your vlog.
Wait, is that the same sauce that's in here?
Uh-huh. I got more.
Why?
I need more. Okay, like and subscribe.
6, 7 months. It's only been 5 weeks.